So, Tiger, are you one to run away from challenges?
No, of course not. I love working on the exercises.
I knew it. Then let's work out this exercise on multiplication of measures.
I'm totally ready. Bring it on.
Multiplication of measures. What is 3 kilograms 100 grams times 4? To multiply measures, we multiply each part of the measure separately. Four times 100 grams equals 400 grams. 4 times 3 kilograms equals 12 kilograms, which is 12 kilograms 400 grams. So the answer is 12 kilograms 400 grams. Excellent! What is 6 hours 20 minutes times 2?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for grade 4 math.